guys, I'm going to start the batch. So everyone, this class is going to be recorded, and here today guys we have to do the role play. Role play means what? That whatever English you know, present, past, जितना आपके दिमाग में है उसका हम इस्तेमाल कैसे करें. आज के ज़माने में कोई ट्रांसलेशन नहीं पूछता है कि राम आम खाता है बनाओ, गया टाइम. अभी क्या है कि सिचुएशनल इंग्लिश है. आप दुकान पे जाते हैं तो कैसे अंग्रेजी बोलेंगे, तो हम उसका इस्तेमाल आज करने वाले हैं. सो व्हाट आई वांट दैट देयर इज अ बर्थडे ऑफ दिस आई फॉरगॉट द नेम. Jahangir, आर यू देयर? Jahangir, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
So Jahangir,
yes, sir, I'm here.
It's your birthday, so you have to give a call to Sagarika and invite her on your birthday, okay? And Sagarika has to go to the shop to buy a birthday gift, and after that, like she'll go to you, she'll wish you, और फिर जो भी होगा बाद में हम देखेंगे. और भी गेस्ट वहाँ पर होंगे तो आप इंट्रोड्यूस करा सकते हैं कि माधवी जी से मिलिए, इससे मिलिए, ऐसे करके. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट रोल प्ले गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस. So give a call to Sagarika. Action.
How to make a call like?
Train. Okay, Sagarika, you have to pick up the call. Yeah. Train. Pick up.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine.
Jahangir this side. Jahangir this side. Did you remember me?
Yes, I remember it.
So I would like to invite you about for my birthday party, so which is going to organized in the next week. So
going to be organized. Yeah.
Going to be organized in the next week. So it would be a pleasure if you participate, and if you will be there. So it's very kind of you. Please do come.
Sure, I will come.
सागरिका, जस्ट टॉक कि कितने लोग आ रहे हैं, कहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हो, अपनी तरफ से तो सवाल.
Where your
अब जैसे कि अगर सिचुएशन है कि कहाँ ऑर्गेनाइज करोगे, जो भी आप अपने उसमें क्या बोलते हैं मराठी में सोचिए. कुल मिलाकर के या तो फ्यूचर है ये, तो फ्यूचर में कुछ सोचिए, या तो आर यू गोइंग लगाइए या विल यू लगाइए. दो ऑप्शन तो यहाँ फिट बैठता है कि कहाँ आप ऑर्गेनाइज करोगे. Where are you
organize the party?
अब आर में ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं बोल सकते, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कहना पड़ेंगे. वेयर आर यू गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं, गोइंग लगा दीजिए कि वेयर आर यू गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज द पार्टी.
Where are you organizing the party?
हाँ, ये भी हो सकता है. विल में भी हो सकता था, वेयर विल यू. फाइन
Ma'am, it's beside my home. There is a marriage home. We are going to organize the birthday party over there. And so how about have you decided to come?
Yes, sure. I will
पूछो
come.
कितने
How many?
हाँ, कितने गेस्ट आ रहे हैं.
How many guests are you invited?
So we are hoping that I'm trying to invite my all friends, all my family members, and all the colleagues who all have been working with me. And if you talk about the number, so it's gonna be 200 people.
And this is a big party.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I would like to invite you, because if you come to in my party, then it would be a pleasure, and it would be like a very grace of you that you participate in my party.
Yes, I will come.
फाइन. और सागरिका जोर से बोला कि जब शर्माती बहुत है, यू हैव टू स्पीक आउट. अगर आई विल कम है तो आई विल कम पूरा है. अगर हम कुछ सीख रहे हैं और शर्मा रहे हैं, देन देयर इज नो बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट.
नहीं सर.
फाइन. तो अब हाँ बोलिए.
अभी मुझे सब दुकान जाना है ना सर.
हाँ, अभी तो फोन काटना है, पहले फोन काटना है. या सो ठीक है, उनको बाय बोलिए कि ठीक है मैं आऊंगी, बाय ये करके डिस्कनेक्ट कीजिए.
बाय Jahangir, I will come your party.
Okay, ma'am. I will be waiting for you, and thank you for accepting my request. It's generous of you.
ठीक है.
Thank you.
Okay.
खटाक.
हाँ.
ओके. Now
Now,
there is a new guy,
my,
Sujit is in the market. Sujit has a shop. Jahangir, you can turn off your audio. There is so much noise. So Sujit is in the market. He has a shop, gift shop. Now Sagrika is going to buy something. Okay, Sujit.
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, action. Come on.
ये आगे.
Okay, शॉप में गए. बोली कि एक्सक्यूज मी ऐसे करके.
Okay, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Can I help you?
Yes,
बोली
I
कि
want to.
हाँ.
Hello. Hi.
How can I
want
help you,
to-
ma'am?
I want to. I want to a good watch for gift.
अच्छा, तो यहाँ पर टू गलत था. या तो होगा कि आई वांट अ
For-
गुड वॉच फॉर गिफ्ट,
For
या आई वांट टू बाई अ गुड वॉच
watch.
फॉर गिफ्ट. ये हो सकता है. ओके.
Okay, ma'am. I am. Well, ma'am, take this. It's a new Apple Watch. It has came recently.
It has been launched, huh?
Sorry. It has been launched recently, and it's selling like a hotcake. You can take it, ma'am. It's very cheap also.
Okay. What is the price?
It's only 15,000.
That's too much.
Yes, ma'am. देखिए, ma'am, it's a Apple Watch.
एप्पल वॉच. ओके भाई, कोई ऑरेंज वॉच दे दो.
But I want to a cheaper one.
देख लो जहांगीर क्या हो रहा है. गिफ्ट ऐसे मिलता है.
Ma'am, if you give someone, then you should give some patchy watch,
वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स है.
valuable things. Then that guy will always remember your name.
Okay.
बोलो मेरा बजट इतना नहीं है.
I don't have any
बिग
budget.
बजट, बिग बजट.
Big budget.
Okay, ma'am. Take this one. This is just only 2,000.
200 वाली दिखाओ भाई. show her the 200 rupees watch. Okay.
Okay. So me.
Okay, it's but you don't have any warranty in this watch of 200 rupees watch.
Okay.
Would you like to buy it? But you
जो भी
won't
आप
get any.
सागरिका,
Any
जो भी
other thing? हाँ.
जो भी आप सिचुएशन पे जैसा फील होता है ना बोलने का, आप बस कोशिश करो, सुधार मैं दूंगा.
Okay.
चुप नहीं रहना. सिचुएशन पे जो आ रहा है आने दो.
Okay. Okay.
आप
Do you have हाँ.
अगर
Any
मराठी में आ रहा है
other
तो मराठी में बोल दीजिए. मैं इधर हिंदी ले लूंगा इधर.
Sir, I
हाथ
don't
भेजिए.
know Marathi.
ओके, ठीक है. तो आप बोलिए.
Okay. Any other thing that puzzle or any other thing are there?
अच्छा, इज देयर एनी अदर थिंग?
Is there any other thing?
Ma'am, just look at my showroom. Pro glasses, and you see just and tell me what do you want.
देयर इज. ओके.
Any puzzle or any books?
Yes, I have a
Show me that fourth one.
very famous book. It's what power made easy. Normally, you can take it.
Okay. And show me that puzzle in fourth one in the showcase.
Yes,
So
yes, ma'am. It's very cheap, ma'am. It's just 300.
okay. Okay.
सागरिका, just
Give me that puzzle.
buy fast.
Give me that puzzle packet.
Okay, ma'am. Just wait and ma'am, do you want anything?
No, wrap it.
Okay, ma'am. I am wrapping it like a birthday gift.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. That's you return.
Okay, take it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Do come again.
Yes, sure.
Now you go to Jahangir.
Oh,
There is a big birthday bash organized.
yes.
Okay, Jahangir is right there. He can see you coming. He can come to welcome you. Yeah, Jahangir.
Okay. Hello. Happy birthday, Jahangir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your blessing. It's really it's really good to see you. And please come again. Come inside.
Okay. Take it.
So,
Gift ले लो भाई.
Give take it.
Take it.
why are you so in hurry? We all are here for the some time. So let's enjoy the party. Then we can do such thing later.
No. See on. See that. Open that gift first.
Lovely.
Okay, okay.
For your
If you want me to open, okay, okay. So yeah, let me open. Wow, it's really precious and it's like priceless. Thank you for this lovely gift. I'm very happy getting this gift from you.
Okay.
So did you find any difficulties coming here?
No. No difficulty.
It's really
When you
it's really
got
glad to
your
hear that.
birthday cake.
Glad to hear.
Yeah, it's about to cut. So we were waiting for you because all the guests have come.
Have come.
And we were just waiting for you. So you have come. And now we are going to cut the cake, and then we will have something like dinner, and then yeah, we will enjoy something. Then party. Then we will go to home. So
Fine.
have something like do you would you like to have something water or like tea something?
No. Only cold drinks.
Oh, like okay. So how could I manage, sir? Like in this situation?
Okay. Suppose party is over. Now, Sagrika, you have had the dinner and all. Now, say something about this beautiful party and take the leave. Go from there.
Very nice party. I enjoy a lot.
Enjoyed. Second form लगाना
I
पड़ेगा.
enjoyed a lot. Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah, it's really pleasure, and I'm very happy to see you here. And thank you for coming here.
Thank you.
Okay, have a sir, how to say good evening or like good night?
Good night. अब तो जाते समय तो सब good night. Good night.
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
Lovely. Fair enough. Okay. Now we are going to involve. Okay, Jahangir, turn off the audio. There's so much noise. Now we are going to involve Seema ji also. So what is going to happen? Madhvi ji and Seema ji both are friends. Okay, Seema ji, are you there? You are listening to us.
Yes, sir.
So now what happens? Madhvi ji has to buy something. So she is going to Seema ji's house, and from there they both have to go to a showroom, and there they have to buy whatever Madhvi ji wants to buy. She can buy, and Seema ji can help in buying. And if Seema ji wants, she can also buy something. So this is what we are going to do.
Okay, sir.
So one shopkeeper is required. So I think Karthik can be the shopkeeper. Karthik, are you there?
मैं शॉपकीपर हो जाऊं?
No, you have to buy. So okay, anyone wants to be the shopkeeper who has not taken part yet? It could be Pramod ji. Can you? Tough है?
यस सर
शॉपकीपर का रोल कर लेंगे?
यस सर
ठीक है फाइन. Okay, so Madhvi ji, you first make a call to Seema ji and say about your thing. Then she will invite you to home. She'll say that घर आ जाओ, यहीं से साथ चलते. It's like that. Give a call. Action.
नहीं, मुझे समझा नहीं, क्या बात करनी है? क्या बात करनी है?
आपको कुछ खरीदना है, कुछ शॉपिंग करनी है. So आपकी दोस्त है सीमा जी, योर फ्रेंड, तो आपको एक फ़ोन करना है. यू हैव टू से कि मुझे कुछ खरीदना है और मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए खरीदने में. देन शी वुड से कि ओके, तो मेरे घर आ जाओ, यहाँ से ही हम शॉपिंग मॉल चलेंगे. दिस इज द मैटर. गॉट इट नाउ?
Yes, sir.
मेक अ कॉल. Train. Yeah. Seema, you have to pick up.
Hello. Hello, Madhvi ji. Hello.
Hello, hello, Seema.
How are you?
How are I am fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Seema, I want a favor from you.
हाँ जी. Yes, yes, Madhvi ji बोली. Sorry,
Yeah.
sir. First day.
Yeah.
Uh, I think your choice is very nice. That's why
Thank you.
I am going to buy some dresses and sari. That's why I want you come with me.
Yeah, yeah,
Shall we
sure,
go?
ma'am.
Shall we go?
Yeah, sure, Madhvi ji.
So,
Shall I?
नहीं, वो खुद इनवाइट करेंगे, बोलेंगे आप मेरे घर आ जाओ, यहाँ से बगल में शॉपिंग मॉल है, साथ चलेंगे, ये डायलॉग है।
When are you free? When are you free?
I'm free for now. Can you come now?
Yes, I will come definitely. After half an hour, I will come to you.
Okay, okay. Come at my home.
Yes.
We both will go together.
Yes.
Actually, I have a car,
Okay.
so by car is it easy? It is easy to go.
हाँ,
Okay. Okay.
और जैसे आपने कम एट माई होम बोला है, तो कम वम में एट नहीं आता।
Come home.
कम, अगर आपको ऐसा बोलना है कि मेरे घर आ जाओ, तो हाँ आप
हाँ।
टू फिर कम टू माई होम बोल सकती हैं।
Okay, okay.
और अगर माई नहीं बोलना है, तब तो कम होम करेक्ट है, ये है।
Can you come
टू माई
to
होम, टू माई होम,
to my Madhvi? Can you come to my home?
Yes. Yes, definitely I will come here. I will
करेक्ट।
after
Then after?
After
Okay,
work.
okay. Okay,
Okay. Okay. See you.
okay.
Okay, fine. So, Seema ji, नहीं, there should be a servant also. We know servant role is required. So
In my house?
yes. So you have a very beautiful maid, which is Pragya. Okay, who is Pragya? Sorry, Pragya, are you there?
Achha,
Pragya.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So Pragya, so you are playing the character of a maid. Okay. Yeah, fine. So bell is going to be rung. Ding dong.
Hello, Pragya. Hello. Sorry, Pragya. I am busy. Can you open the door?
Okay, ma'am. Who are you?
डायरेक्ट किसी को अगर हु आर यू बोलेंगे तो बड़ा अजीब सा लगेगा, थोड़ा सा मैनर में नहीं आता है।
You want to meet?
हाँ, whom do you want to meet? Yes.
Who is on the who is at the door, Pragya? Madhvi.
Open
हाँ
the
जी।
door. No.
Oh, okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Whom do you want to meet?
Seema.
Seema. Is there Seema?
Yeah.
I want to meet her.
Come, Madhvi, come. I am in home.
Yes. Wow, Seema, lovely house.
Thank you.
You decorated
Very well.
nice. Huh?
Very well.
Very well. You decorated well.
Thank you, Madhvi. Thank you. Sit. Come and sit.
Okay. Seema, how many members are there in your house?
We are 4 members in my house.
What does
Me, my husband, and we have two children, one son and one girl.
Okay. What does your husband do?
He is a car mechanic, but he has his own workshop.
Okay. Okay. Nice. And where are you?
हाँ जी. How are you, Madhvi? What about you? How are you going?
I want to purchase some dress suit and saris. That's why I want to help from you.
I want help from you.
Okay. सर क्या बोलूँ मैं? हाँ, okay, sure. अच्छा, okay.
Ask Pragya to make tea, coffee, something.
हाँ जी. Madhvi, come and sit here. Would you like to have something, Madhvi?
No. Let we go.
लेट मी गो गलत है, लेट्स गो हो सकता है। हाँ।
let we go.
ना ना, लेट अस होगा ना, लेट्स गो।
Okay, let us go. Let us go. Otherwise, we
No,
will-
no, Madhvi. You have to take something. Actually, it is very hot today outside. Pragya, uh,
Yes.
uh, Pragya, bring some cold drink for Madhvi.
Okay, ma'am.
Do
Pragya-
hurry, Pragya. Do hurry, huh?
Oh,
We
Pragya,
have to go.
you can ask the flavor also, that Madhvi ji, which flavor do you want? You can ask.
Ma'am, which flavor do you want?
I want orange flavor.
Okay.
Okay. So I will buy it from shop or on
Yes, yeah, from Sujit. Sujit is selling. First, I'll say to Seema
हाँ
ji
जी.
that
हाँ
कि,
जी.
Pragya will say कि मैडम कोल्ड ड्रिंक इधर फ्रिज में तो है नहीं. Then you have to ask her to go to market to buy. Fine. So Pragya, say to your boss that cold drink is not available in the fridge.
Ma'am, cold drink is not available in the fridge, so I will buy it from.
हाँ जी. Yes, Pragya. हाँ जी. Yes, Pragya. Madhvi ji, sorry. It will
Okay.
be some late.
It will be late. Yeah.
Okay.
Can you afford it?
Okay, ma'am. I'll go.
Pragya, go to the market and bring the orange flavor. Please do come early. We
Okay,
are
ma'am.
in hurry.
Excuse me, sir. I shopkeeper.
Yes, Sujit, you are the shopkeeper.
Yes.
Sujit.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
Give me two flavor of cold drink. One orange and one Coca-Cola.
Good.
Ma'am, what do you want? A normal one or cold one?
Cold one.
Okay. Say कि कोल्ड का 5 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा लगेगा.
If you take colder one, then you will have to pay extra 5 rupees.
Cold drink is. क्या इसको कैसे बोलेंगे?
बेटा आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी. जोर से बोलो.
सर जैसे बोलना है कि कोल्ड ड्रिंक तो ठंडी आती है उसके लिए एक्स्ट्रा पैसे.
तो बोलो कि you are supposed to give us chilled cold drink. Why are you charging extra money?
Yeah, why are you charging extra money?
Because we
I
have
don't give
to-
you.
I will not give you.
I will not give you extra money.
Okay, ma'am, take this time, but next time you will have to pay extra 5 rupees for the
Not this
chilled
time
one.
and not again next time.
You will not come next time in my shop.
No, I don't.
I will not.
I will not.
Fine. Go fast.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's your orange cold drink and it's your Coca-Cola.
Yes, ma'am.
हो गया, वो मैम के पास चली गई. हो गया सुजीत, आपका हो गया. Yeah. ठीक है. Now Seema ji, you have to serve the cold drink to Madhvi ji.
So Pragya will serve the cold drink.
Okay, yeah, Pragya can do. She takes money from you to do the same. Yeah, she is the maid. Yeah, Pragya. serve.
Pragya,
Have it. Madhvi ma'am, have it please.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
And ma'am, here's your Coca-Cola.
Seema ji. Seema ji.
okay. I'm not taking. Pragya, you want to take? You can take.
No, I don't.
Okay. Then keep it in the fridge.
Okay.
My
ma'am.
drink.
Okay. Nice orange juice. I enjoyed it. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, Madhvi. Thank you.
Let's go now. Let's
Okay. Okay.
go. Already
Let's
late.
go.
Already we are late. Let's
Yeah. Let's go.
Uh,
Where is my Pragya? Where is my car key?
It's on table. It's on the table.
It is on the table.
Can you give me that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Here. It's okay.
Okay, Pragya. I'm going with Madhvi and take care of my sir whom?
Take care of home, हाँ सही कहे.
children.
Okay, take care of home. Okay, and make some sabji for the night. I will be late.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? I will I will dinner at night in at home, sir. Ke
I will
do
have dinner. I will have dinner.
okay, okay. I will have dinner at home. Okay, Pragya.
Okay, ma'am. I will make all.
अरे
हाँ
एंड प्रज्ञा बोलो कि साहब आएंगे तो क्या दूं? हाँ, पूछो पूछो. Yeah.
When Sir Sahab,
Boss, when boss comes,
when boss comes, what will I give?
serve him. Yeah.
Okay. Then when he will come, then you can serve him my cold drink.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
And then you will talk to you will tell that I had gone I had gone with Madhvi ji, okay,
यहाँ
for
हेड की कोई
shopping.
जरूरत नहीं है. ये होगा कि
I
उनसे कह
went,
देना, tell him that
I will tell him all things.
tell him I went with Madhvi.
I have gone. Have चल सकता है. I have gone. मैं गई हूँ.
I will tell him.
Sir, went ठीक है, went.
ठीक है, वेंट भी चलेगा. क्या वेंट?
Okay.
वैसे तो है कि उनसे कह देना है कि मैं माधवी जी के साथ गई हूँ. टेल हिम दैट आई हैव गॉन विद माधवी जी. ये होना चाहिए.
Pragya, okay, sir. Pragya, tell him I have gone with Madhvi for shopping, okay, and I will be late.
Okay, ma'am. I will tell him and all things.
Okay, Pragya, shut the door.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Let's go, Madhvi. Can we
Okay.
go?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Which car do you have?
Car, कौन सी?
मालूम स्विफ्ट डिजायर डस्टर कोई भी.
This is Swift Desire.
Do you complete driving course?
नहीं नहीं. Have you done? Have you done? Have you
Have
done?
you done driving course?
No, no, I haven't done driving course. I have learned from my husband.
Ja-
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Shall I on the AC?
ऑन में टर्न लगाना पड़ेगा. Shall I turn on the AC?
Okay, okay. Shall I turn on the AC, Madhvi?
Yes. Yes.
It's
Yes.
hot outside.
It's very hot. Okay.
Fine.
Where do you want to? नहीं क्या बोलूँगी? कौन सी market? Which market?
Do you want to go? Do you want to?
Sima.
Yes.
Sima.
Yes.
Can I talk with you while you driving?
No, 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 no. First we will purchase the sari and then
We will talk.
I will teach you how to drive.
नहीं नहीं. इन्होंने
नहीं.
बोला कि हम
Okay.
बात कर सकते हैं क्या? ऐसा बोला.
हाँ हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ we can talk while driving.
Okay. Then which shop do you purchase sari or
अच्छा, कहाँ से
dresses?
खरीदते हो आप? जनरली कहाँ से खरीदते हो?
Which shop?
Okay, okay. I usually shop. I usually purchase Meena Bazaar, which is at Rajouri Garden.
At बोल सकते हो. Correct.
Okay, Sima. I
जी.
want plain pure silk sari and dress material with dupatta.
Okay, okay. हाँ, Meena Bazaar is good for these things. Here is where in Meena Bazaar there is they have good variety of sarees and dress materials.
Okay.
But
then we'll go
but
there.
it is very expensive. Can you afford? I'm sorry to say this. I'm sorry to ask.
Yeah.
Can you afford this much money? But quality and designs are very good there.
If I like, then we will see.
Okay, okay. ठीक है. Then you don't restrict only Meena Bazaar. We will search all the shops in the Rajouri. Okay, Madhvi ji.
Okay.
रिस्ट्रिक्ट आपने कहा. रिस्ट्रिक्ट कहा.
मैं restrict I think restrict.
हाँ तो टू भी लगा दीजिए. डोंट रिस्ट्रिक्ट टू ओनली मीना बाजार. ऐसे लगा सकते.
Don't restrict.
टू.
Okay, don't restrict only Meena Bazaar.
डोंट रिस्ट्रिक्ट टू ओनली मीना बाजार. टू एक लगाना पड़ेगा.
Okay, okay. Madhvi ji, don't restrict to only Meena Bazaar.
Okay. Sima,
हाँ जी.
I am from Maharashtra.
Okay, okay, okay.
But in Delhi, which type of sari is famous?
All type of sarees in the Meena Bazaar.
Okay.
There are embroidered, plain,
Okay, I like to
everything is available there.
okay, I like to purchase here.
Okay.
First time I am purchasing in Delhi.
in Delhi.
Delhi. In Delhi.
Okay, okay, okay. हाँ जी.
ठीक है, अब आप
You
पहुंच
will
गए,
like
पहुंच गए,
the
पहुंच गए, पहुंच गए।
you हाँ जी.
अब आप पहुंच गए, गाड़ी से पहुंच गए आप।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
ओके, अब
Okay,
गाड़ी
okay.
पार्क कीजिए, बोलिए
मीना
कि पहुंच
बाजार
गए।
मीना बाजार भी पहुंच गए.
तो इंग्लिश में बोलिए कि ओके वी हैव रीच्ड
Yes,
मीना बाजार।
yes, I have heard very much about Meena Bazaar.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Actually, this is very popular.
Yes, 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 yes.
It's the Meena Bazaar advertisement. The advertisement of Meena Bazaar is usually it's a common newspapers.
अच्छा, इस
Yes, yes,
ओके,
हाँ
इज
जी,
मोस्टली
मैं
पब्लिश्ड इन न्यूज़पेपर।
yes. I saw.
they are publishing their name in the newspaper.
Yes.
Okay, you will like the stuff, Madhvi. Let's come in. Let's go in.
लेट्स गेट इन, या।
Get in, sorry. Let's get in.
Okay.
हु इज द शॉपकीपर?
Shopkeeper, हाँ जी.
प्रमोद जी।
Hello, sir.
प्रमोद जी, प्रमोद जी, यू आर द शॉपकीपर, वेयर आर यू? प्रमोद जी, आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are the shopkeeper. They are coming to you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Amog, speak fast, beta. Conversation is going on fast.
Sir, you started your new channel for idioms and phrases. Now, please tell me the name, sir.
It has not been started yet. When it is started, I will let you know. Don't worry. Okay, so you both are going to Pramod ji. Pramod ji, welcome them.
Welcome, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
May I can help you?
How can I help you? How can I help?
Pramoji, I want to buy. Pramoji, we want to buy some sarees.
प्रमोद जी, साड़ी अब दिखाइए। साड़ी कुछ ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस तो इनको होगा नहीं साड़ी का, बस। या सो ठीक है, मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ, आप ट्रांसलेट कीजिए।
नहीं, there is very good साड़ी.
देयर आर मेनी साड़ीज, ऐसे करके बोल सकते हैं, बहुत सारी साड़ियाँ हैं।
There are many साड़ी.
आप लोग
Madhvi ji, do you like cotton stuff in sarees?
No, I don't like cotton sarees.
Okay, okay.
I like.
So tell him what he should buy, show us.
show us.
Silk saree.
Silk saree. Pramoji, show us silk saree. साड़ी के बारे में नॉलेज
किसी को है? जहांगीर, डू यू नो समथिंग अबाउट साड़ी?
No, sir, I don't have knowledge about it.
Okay.
साड़ी के बारे में
Anyone? Pragya, do you have any idea about साड़ी?
Can try.
Okay, no idea. Okay, थोड़ा सा सीन चेंज करते हैं। सीमा जी, you are the shopkeeper. Suppose.
Okay.
Madhvi ji is going to ask you. Whatever she says, you have to show her.
Okay. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome. How can I help you? Pragya.
I want silk saree.
Okay.
Can you show me silk sarees?
Yeah. Come in. Please
Okay.
sit there. Okay, ma'am. Acha. In which range do you like to purchase? What is your budget, ma'am?
Budget 5 to 10,000.
5, Hanji?
5 to 10,000.
Okay. Okay.
I want silk saree with the big border and pallu.
Okay. Ma'am, see this. This saree is very beautiful, and its border is also very big.
Yes, nice. It
Uh,
is. What is the name of this sari? Which
what is
type?
the?
Which type of this sari?
This is silk stuff, ma'am.
Only silk sari.
Okay, okay. You want silk now?
Yes, I want silk, but any name? What is the name of this type of
This is cotton silk.
cotton silk? Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
There is any color combination?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, these are all colors. We have these colors in cotton sarees.
I want faint and dark border, faint color sari and with dark border.
Okay, 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 okay. Actually, ma'am, don't restrict in particular color. If you find that,
Yes,
you will not find.
yes, yes. Okay, okay.
This is black cotton silk sari. It suits
Nice.
on you.
Yes, nice,
You
nice.
can you can try your own.
Okay, how much is this?
This is 9,000.
9,000.
This is for now 9,000, na, sir?
This is for 9,000.
Okay, this is for 9,000, ma'am.
Can you give me some discount?
No, 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 no. We have fixed price.
Give me some discount.
No, 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 no. Actually, this is summer season, and this stuff have come. This is new variety in cotton silk, and we cannot give you any discount for this.
Okay,
This is fresh arrival.
okay. I like this sari. Keep
Yeah,
aside.
yeah.
Now you
Oh,
show dress material.
okay,
Cotton dress material with dupatta.
okay, okay. Heavy. You want? Do you want heavy or something
Heavy.
light?
Heavy dress material which
Okay,
party dress.
okay. Party dress.
If
Okay.
any work beads or mirror work on.
Ma'am, mirror work and beads work are outgoing now. This is
Okay,
outdated.
Outdated, yeah.
what is latest?
Uh,
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 Show me.
thread work.
Okay, show me.
Okay. Do you like this? Do you like thread work?
Okay, you can show me
Okay,
another.
okay. Okay, okay. This is suit, ma'am. Here is a suit.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
I want more varieties.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me see. Let me show you. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
These are all varieties. What is your budget, ma'am? So I can better understand.
I didn't decide budget, but
Okay.
if I like, I will take it
Actually,
definitely.
if you tell me your budget, actually, we in our shop we have 5,000 to 50,000. तो
Stuffs.
क्या बोले?
Okay,
Stuffs.
okay, okay. Medium. You can show me.
Okay,
Ten,
okay, okay.
10,000,
Okay.
15,000.
And Madhuri,
So
ji, just wrap it up fast.
okay,
Why?
okay,
Can I show within 5,000, between 5,000 to 10,000?
okay, okay. Show me.
Okay. So these are the suits.
This is I like it. This combination is very nice.
Okay.
So pack this sari and this dress material.
Okay, 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 okay. How you will pay for these?
How would you like to pay?
How would you like to pay for these?
Okay, I have a credit card.
Okay, okay, okay.
I will pay you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am, for coming.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so now Seema ji, you are with Madhvi ji as a friend. So
Okay,
you both
okay.
have to again go and you have to drop her at her home.
Okay, okay. Or Madhvi, how was it? Do you like Meena Bazaar? The
Yes,
variety?
Yes, yes, I like it. I like Mina Bazaar, and I like to shopping. I like shopping here.
Okay. Actually, I usually purchase from there. I don't need
Yes.
to sir घूमने को wander anywhere.
Or to go from pillar to post, from here to there, ऐसे भी
Thank
कह
you.
सकते हैं.
Okay,
Ma,
okay, okay.
thank you. Because of you, I got beautiful sari and dress material.
Thank you, Madhvi. Thank you.
Lovely, guys. Fine, so I'm going to stop this recording here because
Okay.
it's almost so much recording, and after that you the guys have to talk. Like मैं छोटे छोटे topics दूंगा, उस पे बातें करनी है, and I will check. So
Ma'am, sir